Assalamu alaikum, free to all listener. How have you been? I hope you have been good by the grace of Almighty Allah. Also, I have been good too by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Mohammed Pranto. Today, I am gonna to tell you now my most of the favorite person in my life. Actually, my all entire life have a few favorites person, such as my sister, my brother, my cousin, my uncle, aunt, grandfather, grandmother, and another person. Among them, one of my favorite person, my mother. Let's go to talk about why who is my most of the favorite person in my life. Actually, I think who is not just my mother, who is my life most of the favorite helping person and problem solving person, because when I face any kinds of problem, that time I try to at first share my mother, because who is all time ready to help me, because one mother all time he would like to your your child success, your son success, sister success, all everything. That's why who don't know our children face any kind of problem, that time I don't help him. So that's why when I face any kind of problem first time, I try to share my mother and try to discuss with each other how can I solve this problem. Actually, in my life I have faced many kinds of problem. That time, first of all, I shared my mother. So two person discuss this problem and we solve this problem very easily. And many people in this generation, they would like to say when he face any kind of problem, that time at first share his friends and another person. Actually, I think is not right, because one friends all time he don't want to you will be success in your life, but one family person, one mother, he all time pray with Allah for his son, sister. That's why we should, when we face any kind of problem, first of all share our family person like mother, father, sister, brother, not first of all your friends. So who is not just my mother, who is my heaven in my life, or whose responsibility when our family person they are face any problem, that time try to help this person and solve this problem. One family most of the important person, this family mother, because mother is good behavior and everything. This is day by day capture his child. That's why this person behavior and everything is very is important in your life. So no more today, inshallah next day I will try to discuss another video. talk with you. That's all about pray for me. I am so into love my parents and mother. That's all.